from Now Knows Tech, and today we have the Aukey True Wireless Earbuds. I found these on Amazon. They're fairly cheap. They're on the budget side, but they looked really good, and I just wanted to try them out. So I think we should just get into the unboxing now. Okay guys, so I've got the plastic off. Fairly simple brown cardboard box. There's none of the specs or anything on it. So let's just open it. So we are greeted with this like that. That is how it comes. Then we can take it out of the box. That's how it looks like. Put that to the side. Now for the rest of the things in the box, just to lift this tab. Then you get your ear tips. Then you get your wire. USB Type-C actually for this one. Then you get a user manual, which I actually think could be helpful as this does have touch gestures. And 24-month warranty card. And what else do we have? Actually, this is the gestures one, so this one could be pretty useful. So we got all that out the box. Okay, so we left with just the earbuds. Oh my days, they're actually so small. This is so small. This is tiny. So let me get in the better light. This is how small it is. I'm gonna do a comparison to something later on in the video, but this is actually so small. It's a black matte black case, USB Type-C, and time for the big reveal. Oh my days, these are actually tiny. So I opened it, it says left and right, and then this is the earbud itself. So this looks so tiny. The two earbuds. Now I'm actually these are probably the medium size. I'm gonna attach the small size, so now I can break into this tip bag. Pull all the tips out, and I just realized something else while I was doing that. Is the light, it lights up. So I opened it like this and it lights up, so then you can see the battery charge. Okay, so this is the big tips. And these are the small tips. Let's see on video how hard it is to change these tips. They're the normal rubber tips you get. So that just comes off straight like that. You have that left. And you place one of these on. Okay, that's fairly easy. Now I'm gonna just fit these in my ear and be right back. So it's got a fairly decent size micro USB Type-C, not micro USB Type-C. As you can see, it's just a normal black cable, pretty standard. But this box for the charging case actually feels quite light. It's pretty simple. It's got some of the things at the back, like 5 volts, and it's got Aukey embedded on the front, and it's quite easy to open, and that's what you get. Let's connect these. Okay guys, so I just realized these are these small plastic blue thingies, which is stopping it from charging. That's probably why it wasn't working. Now I'm going to try it and hopefully it'll work. So Aukey claimed to have 5 hours on the earbuds and 20 hours with the charging case. That's not the best in wireless earbuds, but it's pretty decent. It's a really small charging case, so I don't even know how it fits that much. I don't think these claims will live up, but they possibly could, and I will test that As I said before, they have USB Type-C, quick charge, integrated microphones, IPX5 waterproof, and splash proof, so don't go swimming with them. Aukey also say they have solid bass. We have to test that out. And these are really light, so the earbuds and the actual case is quite light itself. You can also use one earbud if you don't want to use two, and it'll work. So that's also a good feature in this, because one earbud can be really loud at really less volume. So yeah, you can easily use just one earbud. If you want to use two, you can do that as well. So guys, I've got these paired up and everything. Now I'm just going to show you how quickly, once they're paired, which doesn't take long, as long as you take off the blue tabs, how long it takes to pair with your device. So I'm just going to open them, and they're connected. As you can see, we can do that once more. I close them, not connected, and I open them, connected. So the speeds do vary, and yeah, it's pretty quick though, if I say so myself. The gestures are to play pause on either earbuds, tap once. To skip to previous track, tap twice on the left earbud. To skip to next track, tap twice on the right earbud. To answer an end call, double tap on either earbud. To activate Siri or any other voice assistant, triple tap on either earbud. So guys, I've been using these Aukey wireless earbuds for around 2 weeks now, and the experience has been quite decent, not gonna lie. For this price of budget earbuds, they're pretty solid option. Obviously there are the bad things, which I'm gonna get into first. Like, it's horrendous. It's not that bad, but like if you're listening to like a lot of action movies and everything, where like swords are hitting, guns are firing, the latency is quite bad. I've tried to get test samples for this, but it wouldn't work with the mic and the audio coming in at the same time. It just wouldn't work, so I can't really demonstrate that, but take it from my experience, the latency isn't that good. If you're listening to podcasts, even YouTube videos, the latency is 100% fine. Unless it's something actiony, or like maybe a YouTube video could do that. Like if there's someone puts like something down, you could possibly hear that sound coming in later. Other than that, these headphones are pretty good. The sound quality is actually quite good. The fit makes it really like isolated. It's not noise cancellation, but it isolates the ears really, really well. So the sound quality is good. The bass is quite good in these as well. It's perfect for listening to audio. I listened to a few podcasts on this, and it's great. The touch gestures, sensors aren't too like, sometimes in earbuds, if they just touch like a slight thing, they're gonna pause. Not in these. These are pretty good at that as well. And the most thing I've enjoyed about this is the comfortability and lightness. When they're in your ears, after a while, you can't even like feel that they're in your ears, as it's so light. I absolutely love this. It's so comfortable in the ear, so light. It's like really, really nice. Case and the earbuds quality would differ. So the case is it's this matte black case, and it can get a lot of scratches. It was shipped with a scratch on the case. It's not too bad, but the quality isn't that premium. The feel is pretty nice and soft, but even you can feel it's not that like premium quality material. But other than that, these headphones have been great. I don't think the charging lives up to 25 hours. I think you could probably get around 23 hours, because based on my tests, the battery in the actual charging case has gone down rapidly. But the earbuds, I think, possibly can do 5 hours, in my opinion. So that's pretty good. So guys, right now I'm testing out the Aukey T25s microphone, and this is just the size comparison.
Lengthwise to a Weetabix is actually quite smaller. Height-wise, it's just a little bit over. So I think that gives a pretty nice view of how big this actually is. It's actually really small, and I just wanted to describe how small it is. As in the other reviews, the few that there are on YouTube, there there isn't a size comparison. So I just wanted to test that out. This is the audio from Aukey earbuds.
Anyways, that's like my review for these earbuds, and hopefully if you want them, they're a great option if you want to do the things I listed. Okay guys, anyways, thank you for watching. The link will be down below if you want to pick up a pair. I am going to be making more earbud videos coming out really soon, so stay tuned for that. Hit the subscribe button, notification, and see you next time. Stay safe, peace, bye.